With speakers. The demand for mechanical keyboards has surged, particularly among gamers and typists seeking tactile feedback, customizable layouts, and enhanced durability. Similarly, the rise of at-home entertainment has fueled interest in projectors, especially those with built-in speakers that eliminate the need for extra gear. In this guide, we review the best projectors with speakers, evaluating display quality, sound performance, connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, smart TV features, and value for money. List none. Aurzen Boom Mini Google TV 4K supported smart projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth outdoor use. The Aurzen Boom Mini offers an excellent blend of portability and performance, making it a top pick for outdoor movie nights. With native 1080p resolution and 4K support, the projector delivers crisp visuals on screens up to 200 inches. It runs on Google TV OS, giving you instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more without a streaming stick. Built-in dual stereo speakers deliver surprisingly loud and clear sound, ideal for backyard viewing. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to cast content or connect to external speakers if needed. List number. Aurzen AZZ D1G Google TV 4K supported smart projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Autofocus. The Aurzen AZZ D1G is a premium upgrade with smart convenience features that elevate your viewing experience. Featuring Google TV integration and native 1080p resolution with 4K input support, this projector ensures smooth streaming and detailed visuals. The autofocus and auto keystone correction eliminates setup hassles, providing a perfect picture every time. The built-in speakers produce immersive stereo sound, clear enough for small to medium rooms without an external system, with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. List number. AI Movin 2.0, 1200 ANSI, autofocus and keystone, 4K outdoor projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you're serious about outdoor projection and brightness is a must, the AI Movin 2.0 stands out with 1200 ANSI lumens, making it one of the brightest in its category. Its native 1080p display and 4K compatibility ensure sharp, vibrant images even in ambient light. Autofocus and keystone features mean the setup takes seconds, and the unit includes powerful dual stereo speakers that deliver cinema-style audio without distortion. Ideal for backyard movie nights or large rooms. List 4. Aurzen EAZ-ZED1 Smart Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Compact yet competent, the Aurzen EAZ-D1 is a budget-friendly smart projector that doesn't skimp on features. With full HD 1080p resolution and support for 4K input, it produces detailed visuals perfect for casual home use. Preloaded with Google TV, you can access Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more directly, without needing a separate device. The dual internal speakers provide clear ... List 5. Netflix official stereo speakers. 4K projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. For users seeking Netflix certification and premium audio, this 4K compatible projector checks all the boxes. Its official Netflix app runs natively, which is a rare find in projectors. Paired with built-in stereo speakers, you get balanced, theater-quality sound without external audio equipment. Its 1080p native resolution, combined with 4K support, results in crisp, vibrant playback.